Good morning and welcome back. Yes, it's me again, and I'm in the exact same spot that I was last time. This is because I'm doing videos, 52 at once, and I'm gonna see how many of these I can do. I'm gonna do that again. Okay. Good morning, welcome back. It's Nate again, and this time we're gonna talk about how to write a speech in 5 minutes or less. Now for this video, I only have 3 minutes actually, so I'm gonna tell you how to do it, and this time starts boom, now. Okay, so the thing you want to remember is you're going to move your people to action by the end of this speech, some sort of action. Now, as you're outlining it, I want you to pull out a notepad, you got a piece of paper, and you're gonna do an A, a B, and a C. You're gonna start with C. C is the finale, where you're telling them to do something. This is the most important aspect of your speech, so everything you do should lead to that point. B is where you outline, you're going to want to do several bullet points. And you'll have 3 main points, okay? So C was your conclusion. This is the main thing people are going to do because of this presentation. B has 3 points below it where you're saying, okay, this is point A. I don't know if I have enough time to give examples, but you've got, point 1, 2, and 3. And these are the 3 things that will help deliver on your finale on what you want people to know, feel, and do by the end of your presentation. Now, once you've done that, you go on to A, and that is simply your intro. And the intro is giving them reasons to listen to you specifically, why you're qualified on that subject, and why they want to listen through to the end. So on A, just jot down a few things like, hey, I've been doing this 20 years. I'm a certified electrician if you're talking about, electricity or something. And my goal for the audience by the end is that you will all understand how to save $100 a year on your utility bill, something like that. So that's what I'd write in A. And as you're outlining this whole process really, if you've done your homework and you know your stuff and you've made it a research lifestyle, this whole process should not take any more than 5 minutes, okay? Hopefully that makes sense. You've got A, B, and C, and as you're doing that, make sure you're writing down the very juiciest things that you're going to talk about, because these are your brain joggers. As you get up there, think of it like, okay, this is a note card that I can have in my pocket while I'm up there presenting, and I can pull it out, and it's just, okay, this is my next point, my next point, my next point. Notice this is not writing out a speech verbatim. In fact, I would recommend not writing out a speech verbatim. That's just me. I know, I don't. Because I like it to be authentic, and I like it to feel like it's a real person talking to me and not a robot that's reading off a speech that they wrote. Okay? Hopefully that's helpful to you guys. Let's check. Oh, 32 seconds left. That's awesome. All right, so if you like this, I'm giving these tips every single week. This channel is all about 3-minute hacks to public speaking and presenting. So if you like this, give it a subscribe, and we'll see you next week.